All right, guys, so what we're going to do today is we're actually going to do a small lab that kind of demonstrates static electricity, okay? And what we're going to do is actually we are going to be able to pick up these pieces of paper using static electricity, because as you guys remember, electricity is just the movement of electrons, and electrons are negatively charged particles. Okay, and what's going to happen is the negatively charged particles in the electrons are actually going to draw the positive and neutral charged protons and neutrons in these pieces of paper to the rod. Okay, what we have to do first is we have to create static electricity. Okay, so how I'm going to do that is I'm actually going to take this acrylic rod. I'm going to rub this acrylic rod on my arm to create static electricity on it, and you guys will see how the negatively charged electrons in the static electricity are going to draw the positively charged and the neutral charged protons and neutrons from the paper. Okay, so you should be able to see these pieces of paper start to get picked up. Okay, you can kind of see some of them moving there, but you can see I could probably make that even work a little bit better. Let me create some more static electricity. Okay, we should be able to pick up even more of them. Okay, so you guys can see that we're actually able to pick up these pieces of paper. Okay, we're actually able to pick up some of these pieces of paper, and that is just the negatively charged electrons drawing up the positive and the neutral charged protons and neutrons in the pieces of paper.
Okay, so for this part of the lab, we are going to look at circuits. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I've got my batteries already put in here. Okay, all going the right way, we're good to go. Okay, you'll notice a couple things right off the bat. We have a positive terminal, and then we have a negative terminal here. Those are two of the terms that you guys should have done for vocab today. So positive terminal, negative terminal. Okay, now remember, we are talking about circuits, and electricity likes to end wherever it began. Okay, so electricity ends where it begins, and it has to go in a complete circle in order for it to work. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug one of these jumper wires. This is also one of your tool IDs. Okay, so one of these jumper wires is going to go into the positive end, and what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to get this lamp to light up. Okay, so we're going to go from the positive terminal to the lamp. Okay, then we're going to go from the negative terminal. Okay, and what I want you guys to do is answer why. For question number one is, why is the lamp not on? Okay, for some of you guys it's pretty obvious, but I want you guys to answer question number one for your lab is, why is the lamp not turning on? Okay, now what I want you guys to do is what we're going to do next is we're going to take our jumper wire from the negative terminal, and we are going to plug it into the lamp, and you should see that lamp start to glow. Okay, so I'll unplug it, you guys can watch it again. Okay, that lamp has started to glow. Okay, so for the second question for your lab today is, how come the lamp now turned on? So very basic lab today, super easy, but two kind of really important questions when it comes to circuits. What we'll do next is we will go ahead and we will answer the remaining questions that have to do with this unit.